Okay, so we want to continue with Stripe and upload a new project. I forget where we have been. Okay, so this is all connected. Great, that screen simply means Railway is connected to your GitHub account. Okay, Railway is connected to our GitHub account. And we're still on the account settings page, not the deployment. Now we need to go to the dashboard. Start new deployment. New project. GitHub repository. Then we use this SaaS project. Okay, services offline. Let's copy this and search box type SaaS project. Okay, now let's see. We're exactly in the right place. The screen simply means Railway created your service, but it hasn't deployed anything yet. That's why it shows services offline. Nothing is wrong. You just haven't connected your GitHub repo or triggered the first build. Let's bring your service online step by step. Go back to the project overview. On the left sidebar, click. Wait, to go back to this page. On the left sidebar, click project. Click here. Left sidebar, click project overview or click the railway logo to return to the main project page. You should see a big button like deploy from GitHub repo or connect to repository. I'll go to project settings. When I go to project settings, I get at the project settings, which is not where you connect your GitHub repo or trigger a deployment. This is where everything looks unrelated. This page is only for metadata, visibility, and integrations. You're in the right project, but the wrong section. Let's go to the correct place so you can actually deploy your code. What you need to do now, you must go back to project overview, not project settings. Here's how click the railway logo. Okay, then we click the railway logo. on the main dashboard. And your project discipline intuition is visible. Yeah, but I don't need this project. And you just need to enter the project and connect your GitHub repo so you can deploy it. Click View Project. I went to New. I went to New. New. Perfectly, you finally reached the correct screen. This is exactly where you want to be. Now you can deploy your SaaS cleanly. One click away from connecting to your GitHub repository. Click GitHub repository. This one will open the GitHub repository section. Okay, so now we want to do this. You're so close. This screen means Railway isn't seeing your repository, even though you already granted access to GitHub. That usually happens when Railway needs a manual refresh. Okay, so Control R for refresh. But my SaaS project, it's shown here. Guys, I don't understand what I'm supposed to do now. Excellent, this is exactly where we have been trying to reach. Click Sebastian 2002 SaaS project. All good, please continue. Services online is simply because Railway hasn't deployed anything yet. You connect to repo, but the first build hasn't started. This is normal right after creating a project. Let's bring your service online. Step 1, go to the deployments or log tabs. Railway sometimes hides the initial build behind the logs or deployment view. Look at the top navigation inside the project architecture. Observability logs settings. Click logs. If a build already started, you'll see log streaming. If not, continue to step 2. Wait, click logs. Okay. You're in logs tab and the message no logs in this time range. Means one thing, Railway has not deployed anything yet. No build was triggered, no service started. That's why the service is still offline. This is normal when the repo is connected, but the deployment didn't auto start. Let's get your first deployment running, okay. Click the architecture tab at the top. You should see a box representing your service, usually named SaaS project. Architecture. Inside the service, look for a deploy or connect repo button. Okay, maybe can we do these steps from the CLE, or do I need the user interface? Ah, fuck. enlarge the logs again. Wait, architecture, deployment. Okay. Deployment. Your account is on limited plan. You can deploy database, upgrade your plan. View limited free trial docs. That's not so good. Everything makes sense. This message explains your account is on limited plan and can only deploy databases. Railway free trial changed recently. The current limited plan is you cannot deploy any backend services. Okay, shit. So yeah. Okay, then I think we need to deploy this on render or fly.io. How is it with fly.io? Is it free? And how is the free trial limited? And how is the CLE? Okay, this seems good. Okay, so this seems good. So we can use fly.io, very developer friendly. Okay, can we try it with fly.io? Okay, sorry guys, that's my bad. I didn't know that this railway is not free. Okay, on your window, install the fly CLE. Okay, then we need to close git command. This is not what we are looking for. We want to go here and we go here. Downloading fly CTL. Click yes. Okay, fly was installed successfully. To see user fly bin fly CTL, restart your shell, then run to get started. Okay. Yeah, let's first give this to AI that it knows where we are, but then we need to restart the stuff. Nice, the CLE is installed correctly, ready to start using fly.io. You need to restart your PowerShell window so that fly command is available in your path. Verify the installation by this one. Okay, we copy the path, so we don't need to look for it afterwards. Then we close it. Then we open the PowerShell again. Then we go cd. And now we need to run the command again, fly help. So we need, so we will know that it is installed correctly. Log into fly.io. Okay. Copy. Wait, let's change this. It's a bit smaller. Okay. Then copy this and authenticate. Waiting for session. Sign in with GitHub. Okay. Authorize Fly.io. You're being redirected to the authorized application. Sign in to Fly.io. Continue as. Yeah, we can do that. Your Fly should be connected now. Feel free to close this tab. Okay. So here it says successfully logged in as Sebastian Pazinski, blah blah. Okay, this looks good. So we type in this. You're fully authenticated and ready to deploy. Now we move into the fun part, creating a Fly.io app and preparing it for deployment. Let's keep the momentum going. Run inside your project. Yeah, I'm in the correct folder. Run Fly control launch, scanning source code. Okay, so what the fuck is this? So scanning source, creating app in C. Whoever did this had too much time. We're about to launch an JS. Okay, Fly launch. Okay, so in order to authenticate, you will probably need to give in your personal information. Add credit card. Continue. Ah, look, I think we know this from Stripe. This is funny. Okay, I will type in my personal information really quick and then we can continue with the video. Okay, I have a problem because I'm from Germany and I don't have a credit card. They require credit card information. The German bank card or XC or Giro card does not work, but I can create a Visa card with Revolut. I actually know this service. Okay, can you help me to do this with Revolut? Okay, yeah, so I need to make this on my phone. I think I will pause this video until I figure out how to do this. Yeah. Okay, so I have now managed to install the Revolut application on my phone, and I can now use my launch. And I need to add a payment method. So now I add credit card, and in the Revolut app there are a certain numbers given. So when you live in Germany, just follow the Revolut installation and then you will succeed. And just put in the information that is written on your Revolut card. Okay, so I have input the information, and now um, I don't know what will happen now. How to tweak this now. Okay, so it continues somehow. But I always find crazy how they get like these graphics into the command line. It's really funny. Okay, something is happening. Okay, success, your app is available and ready to use with it. Nice. Okay, but nothing happens here. So I guess then we will need to change the code in order to make this work. Okay, download as a payment method from flower name. But when I exit this URL, creating express service not less than 0003000, or you can told you directly. It's not listening to the expected email and will not be reachable by fly proxy. You can fix this by configuring your app to listen on 0003000. Okay.
the code. Server.js. Then we need to redeploy it. But I think the problem is this, that it is not pushed on GitHub. Push code to GitHub. So I told him that I get the blank file. Get this. This fuck? Der German Message, diese Seite funktioniert im Moment nicht, können diese Anforderungen zurzeit nicht verarbeiten. Means your server crashed on startup and threw an error while handling. This is no longer a routing issue, this is a runtime error inside your app on FlyIO. The good news is FlyIO gives you the exact error message. Let's read it. Run this in your project folder. We want to give the logs. Okay. Okay, we have some log. Failed to connect to machine, gave up after 15 attempts. Okay. If found the exact problem and it's a clean one to fix. Looks a fatal error, neither API key nor config authenticator provided. Your Stripe secret key is not being loaded on FlyIO. Okay, so we need to get this in our terminal. Okay, so we put in flyctl secret set, and then we put in the stuff from our .mv file. So I set those secrets, and now we need to deploy it again and build it. Okay, this looks good. Okay, then I'm already registered. Then maybe we put in another email. Choose your plan, okay. Photo. Oh, that's good.